Okay guys, so we are here in Bath and Body Works. Is a new So we're going to inside and show around. Ayan guys, napakaganda po ng kanilang binibenta rito. So yan, the beautiful ladies here. Yes. And this one guys, look. Meron po silang most alluring person in the room. Fragrances. Bath and Body Works. So, napakabango niya. At ito lang po yan sa K11 at Exit J po kayo. Yes, so this one is best for me. At syempre meron pong tayo wallflowers. Just brightly as you do.
I like this one. It look like. Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Warm vanilla sugar. Best way to warm up with sweetness.
Nakita na si Sylvester. Mr. Art. Ano ba ka ng Mister? Gusto mo ng Mister?
Oo, yung bibigay ko kay Ricky.
I promise, okay?
Yeah, sure. Boss eh. The boss.
Says Mister.
Ito pa kasi bibili pa ako ng isa kaya may free tayo eh. Kaya bili na lang tayo ng ano vanilla romance. Body wash, lotions. Where is the lotion? Is here? Is body cream? Body cream only, not the just for. Vanilla. I think we're going to bring some of friends in here later. Yeah. Because we have friends in YMCA. So we're just waiting here. So oh, sweet. She's going to give me.
Why is that no?
That's my favorite color.
Where is Mister? I will ask where's the yellow.
It's okay. This is my favorite.
This one can fit the perfume, right?
Oh, so sweet. She's going to give me the advance gift. Yeah, so new now and gifts will now.
Enjoy.
Yes.
Get me.
And then you're going to watch this. Oh. Oh.
Anong picture?
Ano man laman yan?
Okay.
Okay lang.
Anong picture?
Hindi kasya? Pagkasyahin mo. Kasya yan.
Sige na po mo.
Oh. Oh. Smart. Clever. Oh, so sweet naman. Thank you in advance. Where did you get that?
There.
Oh.
There.
Are you going to give me this one or let me to choose? Maliit. Okay na rin yan. Sweet. Malalagayan ng ano.
Papel lang kayo talaga yung ano? Ba, papel lang siya.
Papel?
Ito siya parang plastic yung ano.
One step na yan. Ano na siya?
Pero pag ganito, magkaroon ano siya dito eh.
Okay na, yan na lang. Okay na yan.
Ano yun?
Ako, I have 3 na.
Oh, tatlo yung perfume sa akin plus yung bag.
Ay, ito pala yung lotion. Ano ko? So, this is guys, if you're going to buy 3 and they have, yeah, only for today, they have a promotions and $78 each. But if you are going to buy 3 bottles, you have discount. How many percent?
Extra 5%.
Extra 5%. Yeah. So that's why I get 3 bottles. Only for today. Yeah, only for today. So come on guys. If you're going to buy the perfume or buy the, hanapin natin to. And we're going to pay na. Pagkain. Sarap ang amoy. Okay, so guys, pasok po tayo dito. Sabay di.
Ay, natin dito siya tayo. Nag-start kong ano?
Alin?
Champagne.
But it's up to you la. Pero mas gusto ko yung amoy nito.
Sweet song. Do you think after we whisper this one, do you think after that one we can sing a song? Because our voice isn't that good. Let's say that the name is sweet. Sweet song. Like the best.
Yes, I can. Maybe you can.
I like the smell of this one, the champagne.
And then,
Tingnan ko nga.
like,
Champagne.
yeah, this one is a first flavor. Grapefruit.
Grapefruit.
Yeah.
Right.
So you will get drunk.
Ah, yeah, grapefruit.
Sabi ko,
Pero mas gusto ko yung sweet song.
sweet song. Sabi,
Ay, hindi pala yung your
Yeah, our
chicken.
new sense.
Huh?
Our new arrival from here.
Oh, yes.
So,
yeah, like that. Sweet song.
sweet is our new arrival.
So we will sing Delilah after this one.
This one.
Ano mo?
This raspberry.
First, the sweetest song.
Oh, I'm going to take this. Ano kaya yung flower naman yan?
Cherry blossom.
This one.
What's the sweetest song? The sweetest song. Ah, this is the sweetest song. Yeah. After this one, I will sing why, Delilah.
This one also is nice. Ay,
Tomorrow we better do.
kumuha ako ng dalawa, tapos,
I can do it.
di ba? 3 by 3.
I fee another 5%.
Ah, 5, another 5%.
3 bottle, 5% more.
Uy, kumuha nga ng gaya, baka bumagsak. Ito yung sa akin, tsaka yan.
This is a Jeffrey first frozen. All the meats.
My perfume.
Ang dami niyang pagpipilian, oh. Ito yung guys, maraming pagpipilian. Lemon. I want to try that. Ay,
May naisip na naman akong katawanan doon. Ayaw ko lang ito. Uy.
ang alin?
May naisip akong katawanan doon. Ayaw ko lang ito.
Ito yun pang lalaki, oh.
Katawanan nga ako.
This power for the men.
Kay ano mo, kay ano.
Ano yun pang lalaki? Ito, masarap din yan.
Pagkain. Ano din mo, anong lasa niya para masarap?
Sarap, mapait.
Try mo daw, be? Di, ano mo sa kamay? Anong lasa? Anong lasa niya? Tikman mo daw? Hindi na. Ang ganda rin ito. Oh.
Wow, ano yan? Ano naman?
Parang sa car siya.
Sa car. Try me. Ano daw to? Lotions?
Sa akin, mga ano pa to? Mga...
Sige nga, ito na lang pa birthday mo perfume.
Di ba nagbigay na ako na dala? At pa kayong rosal dati?
Masaya ako doon. Nilalagay ko nga yun sa... ko. Aray, aray! Ala, lumagatok.
Ganyan ito, mga kaibigan guys. Dapat nilalamukat mo muna.
Nilalagatok. Ano bibigay mo sa akin? Perfume o lotion?
Ano ba gusto mo?
Perfume. Akong pipili. Kaya lang, hindi na siya 78 dyan, di ba?
Saan siya?
Ito. Perfect and pink. Wala bang seduction? Guys, alam nyo, ito yung pinakamagandang nangyari sa buhay ko ngayong araw na to.
Tumahimik ka lang ha?
Kasi dito ko
Bakit
kukunin
hindi
yung...
nagano yung mga seller sa akin kung magkano to siya? Excuse me?
I mean, you guys,
Baka 78 din. Okay, I'm going to pay now.
happy?
Happy.
Keep happy with your friend.
Thank you so much.
No worries.
Later, we're going to bring some friends here.
We just
But we're not going to give, we're not going to tell them that you give me the sleep.
we just want everyone happy. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Happy. Thank you. Ay, happy birthday to you.
Ayan, advance happy birthday.